In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your electric network. To get started, we need three things: a pump, an offshore pump, a boiler, and a steam engine. So we'll start with the offshore pump. Just put it on a shoreline. These guys are pretty hassle-free. They don't need fuel or power. And I can put some pipes down to show you it working. See? Water. Okay. Next up is the boiler. This guy does need fuel, and you'll definitely want to have inserters automatically filling it up, but for now we can just throw some coal in there. And last but not least, the steam engine. Make sure it's lined up correctly, so not like that or like that, but right in the middle. Okay, so this is set up right, but you wouldn't know it because the steam engine is complaining it has no power. It's doing that because it can't actually work unless it has something using the electricity. So we'll need a couple more things: a power pole, small electric pole, and something to use the power. We'll use an inserter. So that blue box is the range, and as you unlock more stuff, you'll get better power poles with bigger boxes. So stick this inserter somewhere in that box, and everything comes to life. Alright, so that's cool, but let's actually do something useful with this steam engine. Let's upgrade this guy to an electric drill. Alright, so check this out. This works because there's a copper cable connecting the two poles, but there's only a certain range that it'll reach. If it's too far, it won't connect. And again, better poles later on will have longer ranges that they'll connect. Okay, so that's the basics. There's a couple more things relating to electric networks I want to show you though, so I'm going to load a save that's further along in the game. So you might think that your boilers need to be directly connected to each steam engine, but that's not the case. You can set up all your boilers in a row and all your steam engines in a row after that. For one offshore pump, you'll want 14 boilers and 10 steam engines. These are the magic numbers that the community figured out to have everything working at 100% efficiency. One thing I love about this setup is that the lights on the boiler sort of act as an indication of how stressed your electric network is. When you hover over a pole, you can see your electric demand satisfaction. You'll always want to make sure that bar is full, or the machines running on the electric network will work slower. For example, watch what happens to this radar when I cut off half of my steam engines. It moves slower, and the electric demand satisfaction is not as high. You can click on this and get a more detailed view. When I add the pole back, it speeds up. Join me next time and I'll show you what this screen is all about.